This is snake tomato, popularly known as snake gourd. Do you know that eating this snake tomato like this, eating it can reduce high blood pressure? Do you know that? Do you know that it can also reduce high sugar in your body? That is, if you are suffering from high sugar level, this snake tomato can also reduce it. Okay. Apart from that, it can also build immunity. This snake tomatoes you are seeing can build your immunity, and it's also good for the heart. This snake tomato is good for the heart. For those that are having heart palpitation, this snake tomato is good. The fruit and even the leaf is good for you. If you are having heart palpitation, you can use either the leaf or you use this snake tomato. In fact, this snake tomato is one of the best food you can give to your heart. This very one, you can either eat it ripe like this, or you eat it when it's not ripe. There's a way you can also prepare it when it's not ripe. I will teach you that also. This very one now, you can actually use this one to prepare stew. You can use it to make your stew. That is, you open it, remove the seed out, remove the seed from the cover. That's what cover the seed. You see very reddish. Then you remove it, remove everything inside here. It's just like normal paste tomato. You can add it to your stew or any of your sauce. It's very, very nice. While the fresh one, that's the unripe one, you can just peel that one. You peel the skin. That is unripe one like this. Let me pick one out. Yes, unripe one like this. If you have unripe one like this, just peel this body. You peel the body, then open it, remove the seed, and then dice it into little chop. Just chuck it into little chop, then add it to your stew or your sauce. It's very, very good for your body.